how to create a homepage in WordPress. Hello guys, and today we're going to talk about WordPress. And the first thing we're going to do is look over here on the left side. You're going to look for the pages section over here. You're simply going to click this. Now over here, this is where you will be able to find all the different pages that we have. Now when you install a theme, it will automatically create an about, blog, contact, home, news, privacy policy, sample page, and terms pages. Now what you're simply going to do is you're going to look for the home page over here and then click on edit. Now you can simply edit the content of this home page by clicking on this button over here. You would be able to insert different blocks that you would like into your home page and build your own page by simply dragging or clicking the specific block that you would like to use. And after doing this, you can simply click on publish over here and you would be able to create your home page. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.